Hey, I'm Fish. It's a wonderful day. Beautiful cloud formation after this heavy one that's above us. Yeah, we got rain right here. I'm not afraid to use my camera in the rain. Get down to the beach and we'll be able to see this beautiful formation going in the sky. Welcome to Cement City, baby. I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Thank you for joining. I have a lot to say, a lot to share, a lot to show, a lot to talk about. Maybe I'll give you some. Now the sun don't come up over there. It comes up all the way over there. And over there, you'll see the sun trying to come up. Overlays of the Insta360 Luna Ultra, please go away. Allow me to control it. I love my hype. And I may just go get a bigger one, smack it on top. Maybe it'd be brighter, maybe it'd be bigger, maybe it'd be seen better. Grab and run, 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 run. As I highlighted the talk, I'll talk about what Insta360 support, technical support, has internally done. We want to go out. Try that again. I didn't see the red bullet light come on. We want to go out. And the bullet goes off while zooming, so you don't see it no more. And that Insta360, we need corrected. And you see the times. You can't have both in this camera. And those are threatening skies. No one's going to complain about the zoom and the record, how one blocks the other, which is more important than the other. All hype, people. All hype. And only Fish will tell it like it is. This is not the highlight of the talk. It could be the highlight of the talk. But if I want to go over there, I won't be able to go over there because, one, face tracking don't do that. It can't go that far. And the only way for me to do that is, let me see if I could do this over here. Turn my camera like this. You're not going to see me turning it. Maybe you will. I'm not going to see it in the video. And take off my touch screen and do one of these. Planning, setting up, framing is key with the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Even with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, as well as the Pocket 3, as well as any other camera you own. You like this sky over here that is threatening? How about over here that is threatening? All over here that is threatening. But everything over there, I didn't show you. I can sit here, Fish. I think that was the highlight of your talk because I'm heading on back. I don't want to get caught in this. And man, it'll feel good. It'll feel like 20 degrees cooler for sure. Sand shock. Did that get on video? Because I had a once-in-a-lifetime shot to grab it. Nope. I nearly missed it. Ah, man. Hope I didn't miss that shot. Perfect shot you don't want to miss. Did that seagull jump up in front of you? Insta360 Luna Ultra. You're supposed to shut down after I'm finished when I close the screen. You stay on randomly. Insta360 Luna Ultra. Oh man, the Mic Pro is supposed to turn you on. It doesn't turn you on after you fell asleep and fully shut down. There's a lot of happening in the camera, and and over time, the premature will be matured. And, I'm probably, doing the best I can do with what I got. And I don't see many people out there reporting issues. Maybe it's just the fish when it reports. So we'll get to a highlight of our talk maybe in another video. Not all have to be highlighted, but I promised to highlight. Did I not? Man, that Bronco looks pretty good. Is it from here? Maybe this one's look even better. You're in the mood for tacos or Chinese food? I forget about my 5-second delay at the beginning because this camera does it as well. I would have hoped that they put the buzzer into the microphone, and I'll make this the highlight of my talk. We'll shut the light off so it don't blind you. Insta360 has continued to be in touch with me and taken my concerns, suggestions, feedback seriously this time, and internally pass it along, and they'll get my answer within up to 5 days and keep me in contact each and every second of the steps. Now, randomly, this camera works beautiful, and it's all hype with some people out there that they want to push this camera, saying it's the best camera of 2026. Well, 2027 is first coming, and it will be the best camera as soon as January 1st hits, the best camera of 2027. That's the highlight of my talk. We park where we want. We don't care where we park. The apocalypse, man. How sweet is that? When I turn my camera on for the first time, like right now, that sky is blue. Then it corrects. So it's adjusting. Well, shouldn't it be blue all the time when I turn it on if it's showing that? No. The camera has to warm up. And that's every turn on. I said first time, meaning that when I turn it on, when I shut it off, like right now, as soon as I hit the stop, I'll shut it down and then I turn it back on. This camera has an instant record of 1 point something seconds, and it didn't capture it this time, but I have to turn around to do it. Did the sky capture blue and adjust? Because that sky is threatening. I don't want to capture a van, I want to capture the store. Post office. How long is it going to be finished? Things don't take a day, and I understand that. Maybe we could, point inside, because they only keep one door open. As the one door is open, you get to see what's inside. Emptiness. Well, I just switched the photo. And did I hit the wrong button, long press or double press on the custom? Man, I was trying to go around. It wouldn't go any further than so many inches. Well, I gotta go meet up with Joe. I gotta go take care of beeswax, and I gotta go look for something that's not available at stores no more. Advertise all online, not in the store. Well, that's how we shop today. Can't get anything like old-fashioned anymore. Well, I am Fish. We'll go on another Cannondale adventure today. 2 is the model number for this. And we'll see you on the next one. I actually started out like this, and I'm ending like this. And yeah, I basically deleted all my videos.